Hello. Okay, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So with that, I think we move on to our live analysis. Okay, the data. Okay, today is going to be a news trading, and the data, the key data that is going to be out tonight is from the U.S. prelim GDP quarter on quarter. Forecast was 2.3. Previous was 2.3. So that means market is expecting same as the previous expectation. Then unemployment claims, previous was 219K, and right now this forecast is to triple 2K. Okay, market is expecting triple 2K. Then we are also expecting from the US core durable goods and orders month on month, which is 0.2%. Previous was 0.3, and durable goods and orders month on month. Previous was negative 2.2, and forecast was 2%. Okay, we also have a prelim GDP price index quarter on quarter, which is also 2.2, and forecast is 2.2. Then at 2300 hours, we have pending home sales month on month. Uh, Previous was negative 5.5, and forecast is negative 0.9%. So all in all, I think there's a couple of data to digest, and market is expected to be choppy or very volatile. Okay, that means, because the data can be coming in mixed. Sometimes it can be so-called one data is good, one data is bad. Then the market can move in either directions. Okay, let's move on to our live analysis. Okay, that the trades we are going to concentrate is mainly we look at dollar yen, and we'll try to go for gold. Okay, these are the two trades, and apart from that, I don't see any movement that is to be uh, expecting to have any big move. Okay, so here let's do our analysis. Okay, let's look at dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, the market, your 360 is was up just now, and on the daily this is flat with the downside view. Okay, I think the range we are looking on the daily is 14855 and 151 15075 or 15150. So anywhere above like 15075, we should see the price turning down, and we will see how the market is expecting and how the data is going to be out. Then the next trade we are going to look for is gold. Gold is already broke the previous day low. Right now this is trading below the low, and more weakness is expected, if the data comes out to be strong or stronger than expected. So if we see the data strong, then we expect the gold to push lower. Okay, let's do this two together and let's generate the signals. Okay, let's look at dollar yen first. In fact, early on the dollar yen, we were trying to sell and I think it was a real waste. We closed it at I think 12 13 pips loss, but which I think we were right on this move, and the market did reach our target. So now what we can expect is, if the data to be strong, okay, then we should see the spike up towards 150 35 or 15060. Okay, so I think we have given a sell order. Okay, we are trying to go for a sell order at 15060. I think we have given it on the 15080. Okay, I think that one we have given it under the day trading. Okay, so now what we will do is, we will try to go for a sell on the this is going to be a news trading, and we will try to sell at 15030. Okay, and put a stop above 15070, and the TP we will try to put it as 149 20. Okay, 14920. So I'm not sure how the data is going to be, and this is, we'll go for a half lot. Okay, and expiry, I think we will put it until 2200 hours. That means to say that 30 minutes after the data is out. So we would be having two trades. Okay, two trades. One is to sell higher at 15080, and another one is selling at 15030. Okay, so this would be our trade for dollar yen. Then for the gold, okay, right now the market is trading at 2886. Okay, 2886. So most likely, okay, most likely, if the data is bad, okay, we might see the gold spiking up. Okay, spiking up towards 28 2897 or 2905. Okay, and if the data comes out to be good, then we may see the price breaking the low. But irrespective, I think whether the data is good or bad, I think eventually, I think the market should turn in the direction of the trend, and we should see the price coming off after the data, even the 11 o'clock data that is also out. So what we can do is, we will try to put in a sell order okay, this is there's two ways we can put in. One is 97 half sorry, 2897 half or 96 half. Okay, so which is about $11 higher than what we are seeing here. So most likely, okay, most likely we should see the price extending Okay, I don't see the price going above 99 or 2901 unless if the data is really bad. Okay, so now what we can do is we can key in the order. Okay, we can key in the order to sell 28. Okay, 28, we'll put it as 2898. Okay, because we after the data is out, then we decide to change the levels. Then we should see the TP to be either 2889 or 2882. Okay, 82 or 83 half. Okay, 83 half. So we will just put it as of now. We will just put it as 2883 half. Okay, this is based on the just the system. Then we would see how it works. Okay, so this is for the gold. Okay, so we will put these two orders. Then we can see. Okay, let me see whether we are seeing any movement. We can just try for one more currency, because the the Nasdaq, Dow Jones, all I think we will trade after the data is out, because I don't want to take too much of stress and too much of risk. Uh, so at least we will try to do it when the market settles, when the market start to digest the news. Okay, so now one more currency we can look for is, okay, I'm not sure whether, okay, dollar Swiss looks okay, dollar Swiss. I think it should reject at 9025 or 9035. Okay, because this is let me see, we get, yeah, about 9030. Okay, we should see a spike up if the data is bad, and if we get it, then we will try to go for this trade. So all in all, I think I don't want to confuse, or don't want to do too many trades, and if you are not able to handle it fast, then I don't think it would be uh, a viable move. Okay, so we will put it as 9030, 9065 stop, and the TP should be 89. 89 60. Okay, the TP has to be about 89.60 or 70. Okay, this is also one lot, and this is also until 22. Okay, we don't want to give too many orders, so we'll just go for these three trades. Okay, one is we are trying to sell gold at 2898 for those of you who come in late. Trying to put a stop at 2902 half and TP at 2883 half. Okay, and dollar yen we are trying to sell at 15030 and stop at 70 and try to get out at 14920. Then dollar Swiss we want to sell at 9030, stop at 65 and 8960 as TP. Okay, so these are the three trades which we are going to key in before the data announcement. Then what we will do, since we have time, okay, we will also discuss, but I don't want to give the signals, but we can discuss on Nasdaq and Dow Jones. So we'll just discuss it and get ourselves prepared. So in the event, okay, if let's say we get order filled or we after the data announcement, then we may want to carry on with the trade. Okay, so now Nasdaq, okay, hold on, let me download the system. Okay, okay, so if you look into Nasdaq, what we are expecting is okay, weekly this is on the downtrend. Okay, weekly is on the downtrend because it's trading below the previous 2 weeks low, and still, but of course this is moving away from the low, which means to say that this is getting back into a range. So now your daily, okay, this is a congestion, okay, which means to say that any spike up should be limited, okay, limited to either 21520, 21500 and 21559. Okay, so this is the Nasdaq we are looking. So somewhere I think the system is telling us somewhere near 480, okay, 480 and 520 we should see the price turning down. Okay, this is what the system is telling us. Okay, I just want to just share with you the system, the levels. So here we are looking at below 21410, we should be looking to sell, but 21525 there is a strong resistance, and 480, okay, 480 also there is a resistance. Okay, then let me see whether weekly, okay, weekly there is a strong selling force involved. Okay, I'm not sure whether weekly I can show you, because sometimes when I get into this it may hang. Okay, so I think 525, okay, 525 there is a strong resistance, okay, 525, and below, definitely below 610. Okay, we should be holding sell. Okay, so I think the system hang. Okay, let me reboot that. Okay, let's see that on the chart. So if we are looking into the chart, okay, there is two ways which we can see. Just give me 1 minute, huh? Give me 1 minute. Okay. Okay, so either we should be seeing the price turning down from here, or we should see a spike up, okay, towards 480 and 520. Then market should turn down. Okay, so now how we can trade this market is, okay, we will put, I think we have nothing to lose, we will try to put a sell at 480 or 505. Okay, 505. Then we will try to uh, put a stop above 575, and TP we should try to see about 350. So that means we are looking for somewhere about 170 pips movement. Okay, so this is again, okay, I'm not advising for those people. If you call yourself a conservative trader, okay, you may or you may not want to put in, but of course this is very far, so I think um, it would be worth considering. Okay, so we'll put it as 3 half or even lower, but as of now I think we'll just put it as it is. Then the expiry, I think we can leave it until 23 hours. Okay, we still have another 6 more minutes for the data to be out. Okay, let's get ourselves prepared. Okay, I just want to reinstate the orders, and let me also key in these orders. Actually, today the Dow Jones looks a bit weak compared to the Nasdaq. Okay, I'm not sure. Yesterday was Dow Jones was stronger. Today looks Dow Jones a bit weak. Okay, let me key in the orders. Also, just okay. Let me just give me 1 minute. I also want to key in the orders for gold and dollar yen. Okay. Okay. So I've keyed in all the orders. So for those of you who came in late, I just repeat, we are expecting a couple of data. We only have 3 more minutes left, and we are expecting GDP, durable good orders, unemployment claims. Then one more is the pending home sales, which is at 2300 hours. So we are trying to sell gold at 98, but I think we we can even put because it's only $8 up, okay, and sometimes we might get a, a trigger, let's say okay, I think we'll try to put at just change the gold we'll try to put slightly above 2901 half, and later we will do the adjustment, because sometimes if you get a big spike up, we may get the price getting filled and getting stopped out. I think $10, 10 to $12, I think it's not a big move. Actually, we can put it as 2904, but sometimes, I did tell you that we'll best place the orders in such a way that the order should get filled. Okay, quickly, we have 45 seconds left. Okay, we are trying to sell gold, we are trying to sell dollar yen, we are trying to sell Nasdaq, and we are trying to sell dollar Swiss. Okay, the key data that is going to be out is GDP, unemployment claims, and the core durable goods orders. And at 2300 hours, we have pending home sales. So we have 20 seconds left. So let's see what is the data, and let's see how we can manage this trade and how we can go about taking this trade. Okay, 3 seconds left. Okay, durable goods and orders came out to be good month on month. Core durable goods orders came out to be bad. So we have one good, one bad. Unemployment is bad. Okay, came out to be 242. Prelim GDP, it's came out as expected. Okay, so I don't think there's going to be any big move because there is two bad data and two good data. Okay, so let's wait for the market to respond. So as of now, I don't see any big movement that is happening on the uh, dollar. Okay, dollar yen is 4970. Gold, okay, let me see, this is 86. So 86, and no big movement at all. Okay, because two came out to be good and two came out to be bad. Okay, let's see the Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq also no movement. Okay, this is also no movement. So looks like, okay, market is discounting the news. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's just give another few more minutes for the data to be digested. Okay, so I think there is no big movement. So let's move on to our live trades. Okay, I don't think this is going to get worked. So now what we will do is, okay, let's move on to gold. Okay, shall we sell gold at 84? Okay, start selling gold at 84 and put a stop at 89. Okay, put a sell gold at 84. Okay, let me give the signal and put a stop at 89. Okay, sorry. Hold on, it's I think I'm getting the wrong feed. Sorry. The gold is showing now 88. Okay, I think my feed is wrong. So you try to sell at this feed is wrong. So try to sell gold at 87, 88. Okay, my feed is wrong. 87, go for a sell. Okay, this feed is wrong. This is wrong. 84 is wrong. Then this is the problem. Sometimes the gold feed here is not. Okay, right now is 85. 85. So we'll try to sell at 87. 87. Stop at 92. Okay, let's change this. We're trying to sell at 87. Stop at 92. And this one we will just give 80. We'll put it as 75. Just put it as 75 as of now. Then later we'll do the adjustment. Let's get the order filled. Okay, try to get this 87 and the Nasdaq. Okay, try to sell at 213. Let me see. 21350. Okay, try to sell at 21350. 21350. Stop 21405. Then this TP, I'll give you later. Maybe we'll just put it as 21150. Later we'll do the adjustment because we need to get the order filled first. Okay, the gold I think is going to get filled. Let me know it's filled. Right now is 8670. Anyone got filled? So now I saw 8670. Now it's 8610. Okay, I think if you're aggressive trader, then you may want to. Now it's 8650. May want to enter at market. Okay, I'm thinking of entering market 86 or better. Okay, I'm trying to enter at 86. 8560, 8580. Okay, I think my 86 order is failed. Okay, I've already entered at 86. Okay, the stop still remain. Stop still remain. I think our Nasdaq is also failed. Okay, 86, 86, 7, 87. Okay, I've entered at 86, but this order I'm still maintaining at 87, but I've entered at 86. Okay, Nasdaq is filled. Okay, your order is filled at 87 half, is that? Okay. So if it's filled at 87, then it's fine. Okay, we'll take it. Okay, let's go into the chart. Okay, my order now is 87, is filled. Okay, so the Nasdaq is filled and the gold is filled. We have two orders working, and the rest, the dollar yen, let it work. Then let's see how this thing goes about. Okay, now what I need you to do, we'll just manage these two trades closely. Okay, my gold feeds are actually showing a wrong feed because right now is 85 and this is showing 8640. Okay, let that get stabilized. Okay, now we are going to see the Nasdaq. Okay, this Nasdaq, we still have, how shall I say, another 45 minutes for the main session to come. Until then, I think we just have to wait for the market to get stabilized. So, for those of you who have just come in, we are working on two orders. We have sold gold at 87 and we have sold Nasdaq at 50. 21350. Okay, so then later on I'm going to give how to manage these two trades. Okay, just stay put, just stay on the screen, and let's wait for some stability, because we still have another 45 minutes more for the next market to come. And let it get stabilized. Okay, gold, we should not see the price going above 92. Okay, we should not see the price going above 92. And Nasdaq, we should not see the price going above 21405. So, and we have two open trades. Okay, two open trades, and let's see how we can manage this two trades. Stay on the line. Actually, I'm going to go on mute for a while, because market let it get stabilized. Then I'll get back on track in about a few minutes later. Okay, just monitor, since these two trades are there. Let's monitor this. Okay, guys, I think just saw a big move happening. Then after that, the market quickly turned back. Okay, now we are seeing our Nasdaq. We are making about 30 pips. I think it dropped a big move. Then it bounced back. Gold, I think it dropped to 84. Okay, 84. But just now I saw a big drop. So I think it's now is only 84. Okay, let's give some more time. Okay, we are seeing the Nasdaq dropping. Huh? Okay, we are seeing the Nasdaq dropping. Think we are already making 50 pips. Okay, let's wait, give some time. Okay, what we can do, uh, two. Gold looks a bit choppy. Yeah, gold looks a bit choppy. Up, down, up, down. So let's give some time. Okay, let it stabilize. Then we'll see. I think gold is moving up again. Okay, Nasdaq looks weak, but the gold still looks a bit choppy. Okay, Nasdaq. I think we sold at the right price. Right now, this is making about 70 pips. Okay, so this weakness is expected to continue another 10 minutes. Okay, let's see whether we are able to break this low. Okay, the system automatically revised the stop to cost. Okay, this one I think you have already got the message. So this is automatically, this has moved. So this is up for you to decide whether do you want to revise it to cost or slightly above that price. Okay, so we are making about 50 pips, and we expect this weakness to continue for another 9 more minutes. So we will see how this comes to an end. Okay, more weakness is seen, and let's see how this thing works out to be. Okay, gold looks a bit strong, so now it's moving back to that 88 territory. Okay, 88 thing. So uh, let's see what happens. So this Nasdaq, what we can do, because it's 21765. So let's see. I'm expecting this weakness to continue for another at least 7 more minutes. See whether it breaks the low. If it breaks the low, then I think it would be good. Okay, gold is still holding firm. I think gold is moving firm. Okay, so okay, Nasdaq is coming off. Okay, I think we want to, since gold is moving in the opposite direction, I suggest we will lock in the profit for Nasdaq. Okay, close at 80, and we will wait for the gold. Okay, we are trying to close at 80 or better. Okay, try to lock in the profit since gold is moving in the opposite direction. 21278. Okay, closing. I'm closing at that price. So my gold is moving in the opposite direction. So I want to have a buffer for that. Okay, gold I've already taken, sorry, the Nasdaq I've already taken the profit, using it as a buffer for my gold. Okay, now we have already locked the profit for Nasdaq. Let's go back and concentrate on the gold, since this is showing some strength against our entry. Okay, now what I feel, we are still, we shouldn't see the price going above 92, 93. This is still showing strength towards 90, and Gold is being a bit stubborn. This is not moving the turn, because in fact we were expecting this to break lower, but we are seeing some stability here. Okay, let's see. Let's see whether this is turning. Okay, right now this is back to the 88 territory, and let's see Nasdaq. We can go for a re-entry again. Okay, the Nasdaq, I think we still have another half an hour more, right, for the main session to come in. So what we will do is we will let the gold work, and we will come back, connect again. I mean, of course, we will stay on the line, and we'll come back again for Nasdaq re-entry. Okay, we already booked the profit for Nasdaq. I think we closed about 80, so we made about 70 pips. Okay, 70 pips, and now we are working on the gold to see. We will see how this thing comes about. Okay, stay on the line, and just let the monitor market work. Then I'll come back to you in another couple of minutes. Okay, guys. Sorry, I'm back because just now we had a very long session for the Tamil version. So, and my throat is also a bit tired because sometimes when we do a lot of talking non-stop, I think we need to take a break on off for the well-being. Okay. Okay. Anyway, back to our trading. For those of you who came in late, okay, thanks for coming in. Okay, just now we were trading. Just want to give you a short thing. We were trading during the data announcement, and what happened was, I'll just give you an update. Okay, the U.S. the the prelim GDP, okay, came out to be 2.3 as expected. Unemployment came out to be bad compared to the market expecting. And we have a core durable goods orders month on month came out to be bad. Market was expecting 0.2, came out to be bad. And durable goods orders month on month is also good, and prelim GDP price index is good. So we are waiting for one more data, okay, which is coming in an hour's time, which is pending home sales month on month. So after this, I think the market movement should begin or commence. Okay, the trades we have taken. Okay, we shorted the Nasdaq at 21350, and we booked a profit about 72 pips, which is a half lot, which is about 36. Gold we have shorted at 2887, and right now this is losing about 2.5 pips. Okay, we are not seeing the market turning yet. So I'll slowly, for the next 15 minutes, I'll give you an update what we expect the market to happen, or how the market to be expected to move. Then 10:30, when the main session comes into roll, Nasdaq, okay, we will try to go in again for the second round of trade. So for those of you, I'm not sure how many of you here traded Nasdaq. Okay, anyone traded Nasdaq and took profit? Okay, anyone here on this room took a profit on Nasdaq? Okay, just let me know. You know, you have taken a profit, then well and good. Happy for you. For those of you who doesn't trade Nasdaq, okay, let me tell you, this is a very, very volatile market. Okay, so while we are waiting for the gold movement, I just want to share with you the Nasdaq movement. Okay, this is like one tick is $20. Okay, $20. So for every day you get about 2 to 3 thousand US movement. So that is something to look for, or some opportunity to grab. Okay, so let me check the gold again. Okay, because my gold feeds are not that accurate today. Okay, right now this is trading at 2888.6. So I think the market is waiting for the next data to come in, okay, which is at 2300 hours. And also the market is also expecting um, the main US market to come into play. Okay, so Nasdaq, let it work. Now the gold is okay. What we expect to happen? Okay, so this is we are looking at a 2 hour candlestick. Right now this is caught in a congestion, so we should not see the price going above 95. Okay, we should not see the price going above 95, and this should be in a range. And if you look into the 15-minute, Okay, 15-minute itself, I think this is within this range. So if I draw it, okay, and zoom it, I think we should be seeing the price movement along this Fibonacci channel. So of course, if it breaks high, then we have to look for a re-entry. If it breaks low, then we can book in the profit. Within the range, there's nothing much we can do. Okay, so we just have to wait for the market to respond. Okay, so just a quick information about gold. Okay, we are bearish below 2896 half. Okay, we are bearish below 2896 half, and we should see the market getting weaker once it breaks 83 or 80 half. So these are the two levels for us to pay attention to. Okay, we need to see the price breaking 83 for more weakness, and we need to see 93 half and 96 half hold. Okay, so these are the two levels which we are suggesting. Okay, so this is, I can show you on the system. Okay, this is what I was saying. We should not see the price going above 93 half, because there is a strong resistance at 93 half, and definitely should not go above 96 half. Then we should see 88 half break to see more weakness to be seen, but of course 83 half would be a better level to consider. That means once it goes into 83 half, we are expecting this market to be in the selling zone, and we should see the price going lower. As of now, for the next 45 minutes, okay, we should be seeing within this range, okay, between 83 half and 93 half for the next 45 minutes. Okay, so we have shorted at 87 and we have put a stop at 92 half. Maybe that one, I think we can raise it to 93 half. Okay, so this one we'll raise it to 93 half, and we have taken this trade at the thing, so we will try to see how we are going to manage this trade. So if in the event, if let's say we get stopped out, then I will give you a re-entry. Okay, I'll give you a re-entry and we will try to get back on track. Okay, so right now this is at 91, trying to test on the high side, so we just have to wait. Okay, as of Nasdaq is concerned, we are I think the price moved back to where we sold and where we took our profit. Okay, let it work its way out. Okay, gold moving to 91.30. So it's testing the resistance, and this strength should not last more than 45 minutes. Okay. Well, we are waiting for we still have another 12 more minutes for the main market to come in, because today actually we should have started at 10, but because of the data we started 1 hour early. Okay. So there's nothing much we can do, we just have to wait. Okay, let's wait for another 10 more minutes. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just play the music, then you just wait on the trade, then I'll come back again. Okay, thank you. Okay, sorry, yeah. Okay, we are back. Okay, just now, just for a change for info, the stop we have raised to 94 half because we feel that the market is going to more or less like to turn soon. Okay, so we have shorted at 87. We have put at 94 half, and we are trying to. I mean, the TP we want to revise it to later. I mean, later we will change it to see. I mean, when we go on live trades. Okay, right now this market is trading at 91, and the market. Let's see. Okay, we are seeing strength on the 15-minute. Okay, which means to say that this strength may last for another 5 more minutes. Okay, so then after that we should see some clarity because your hourly has got no strength. Your 2 hours this is showing strength. So the 2 hours meaning to say that this 2 hours will last for another 34 minutes. So in other words, we should be expecting this gold to trade on the high side for another 34 minutes. Then after that we should get a clear direction. So I mean, I don't see the price turning off before that. For another 34 minutes we should see the price struggling. So as far as this range is concerned, okay, what we are expecting is this should be trading within this band between 83 and 94, 94 half, 95. So this should be within this trading band. And like again I said, I'm also giving you the time. So that time can last for another 30 minutes. So within the 30 minutes, we should see the price turning down, or within the 30 minutes, we should see the price holding here. Then after that, the market may turn down. So either one is possible. Okay. So we have 3 more minutes for the Nasdaq to come into play. Okay. Let me boot my system. Then let's discuss Nasdaq. Okay, looks like the gold is turning off a bit, but we will give some time. Okay, we'll give some time. Okay, let's move on to Nasdaq. We have 2 more minutes, and we have okay. What we expect for Nasdaq is okay. We expect this market to be within this trading range. Okay, the most likely the high should not see above 410, 450. Okay, and we are going to see this 2 hours, which is going to end soon. Okay, this is going to end soon. Okay, another 1 minute it will end. So now if you look into the Nasdaq, we should be holding a sell below 410. Okay, below 410 we should be holding a sell, and we should see the price weakening below 290. So the main market is already in. Okay, let's go for a sell at uh, 360. Okay, 360 or 350. Okay, go for a Nasdaq sell at 350 or 360. Okay, let me key in this as well with the stop at 420. Okay, TP will give you later, but you just key in a dummy figure if you just okay, let me sell Nasdaq. Okay, 350. Yeah. Okay, I've already shorted at 350. Okay, sell. Okay, I've already shorted. So the stop I need to revise it. Okay, the stop I need to revise it to 425. And this one I'll just put it as 150 for the time being. Okay, I've already taken the trade. So now we are already seeing the price down by 23 points. Okay, let's go back to the chart and let's see this thing. Okay, now we are making about 20 pips, and gold is still, I told you, another 30 minutes. I think the gold is waiting for the next data to come into play. So once this data is in, then we may see the gold giving us a clear direction. Okay, so if let's say this Nasdaq, let's say it gets stopped out, okay, then we will do a re-entry again. Okay, gold, okay, I'm not sure what is gold doing now. Okay, now it's back to 88 half. Okay, so let's this Nasdaq, we have taken the trade, let it work. Now we will try to go back to the gold. Okay, so now the gold looks like, okay, it may have topped. Okay, but it's still too soon because we still have another 27 more minutes. For those of you who have just came in, okay, you may want to sell gold at 89 or 88 half, somewhere near this level. Okay, and try to put hold on. You can sell at 88 half or 89 for those of you who just came in. Okay, we have shorted gold, we have shorted Nasdaq, we are waiting. Okay, gold, if you have shorted at 88 half, 89, for those people who have just entered, maybe you are lucky because you got $2, slightly $2 higher. So we are holding two trades. We are holding two trades. One Nasdaq short at actually it's 350. Okay, I think my entry shows is 345. Okay, I think that is the problem. Sometimes when you hit the market, actually I've entered at 350. Okay. Uh, Gold now breaking 87. Okay, let me see the Nasdaq. Okay, while we are waiting for this, let me see the Nasdaq, the next vector entry level. Okay, just in case we get stopped out. Okay, I think we have put a stop above this level. So if let's say we get stopped out, we need to do a re-entry at 21450. Okay, uh, let me see. Okay, we'll put it as 480, yeah, instead of 430. Okay, let's say we get stopped out, we'll do a re-entry at 480. Then I think we have given at 505, the one I think we can work that level as well, we will work at that 505. Okay, we'll just put back. So I think this one, the system, I can exit and we just concentrate on the gold. Okay, so now we are trying to enter Nasdaq. Sorry, this is a Dow. Okay, 21505, 575 21150. Just put it a dummy figure, then we'll put it until 12 o'clock. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we have already taken two trades, one Nasdaq and one gold. Then now we are going to concentrate on this two to move about. Okay, so now the Nasdaq is turning. Okay, now let's look into gold. I think our gold is already starting to make money. Okay, we shorted at 87. For those of you who came in later, I think you would have shorted at 88 half or 89 half. Okay, I'm not sure what price you entered. Okay, anyway, for those of you who are on the desk, can anyone, can you tell me how many of you are trading gold and how many of you are trading Nasdaq? If you're putting gold and Nasdaq, you just put G and N. So then at least I know how many of you are really trading and how many of you are just sitting and watching. So if you're sitting and watching, then I think we don't have to spend much time going in detail. But if you are trading, just let me know that, okay, I'm trading gold, just put G. Then I know, okay, you're trading gold. And I want it to be as interactive as possible, please. Because if you stay silent, then there's no point of me doing the trade. I might as well do it myself. Okay, gold already hit stop loss. Okay, why is that so? What is the stop loss you put? Okay, I have 1% holding gold and Nasdaq. Stop loss, what's the stop loss we put? You see, this is something, we have to be very, very, very careful. Okay, so now I think gold and Nasdaq both are making good money. Okay, we have a Nasdaq sell. Okay, this gold, where's the stop loss you put? Okay, you let me know, because we have to see how to resolve this. Okay, anyone else holding any trades? So I'm holding gold and Nasdaq. Both are making money. Okay, happy to say that. This is where the problem is. Okay, you put at 92 half. Okay, this is because after that we did revise the price. Okay, this is the problem. Sometimes happens to be. Okay, anyway, we'll try to resolve it. See, because we have raised the stop to 94 half. So sometimes we got to be very precise in our entry and exit level. Okay, so I have 2% holding gold and Nasdaq, one is holding Nasdaq, and 1% gold got stopped out. Okay, anyway, if you say your gold got stopped out, okay, I'll give you a re-entry, not to worry. Okay, we'll see how we can go about and we'll try to recoup the losses. But sometimes you got to be very, very careful, because sometimes the spread also plays a key role. Okay, let's move on to our gold discussion. Okay, gold. Okay, now it's already moving into the selling zone area. Okay, so now I'm going to discuss in detail on gold. So please pay attention. Okay, so here now, what or what we expect is this market should be once it moves to 83, then this is going to be into the selling zone. Okay, and the time left for this is another 18 more minutes. Okay, 18 more minutes is left, so we can hold the sell. Okay, we can hold the sell. And another good news is the 6 hours we have. If you are holding a sell, this can last for another, the weakness can last for another 4 more hours. Okay, so we don't be in a hurry to lock in the profit. Okay, we just wait. It's already moving into the selling zone, so we try to re-enter. Okay, so for those of you who are holding the trade, okay, I think we have put it at 75. Let it be, maybe later on we may want to lower it as well. So the one we have to wait to see. Okay, now I'm going to go in detail. So this is 15 minutes. If you see, this 15 minute is going to last for another 2 more minutes. So that means another 2 more minutes, this weakness should continue. Okay, continue. So the next thing is, since this is already into the selling zone area, okay, we want to do a add-on trade. Okay, now it's already coming to just now 80 half and is bouncing back. Okay, I don't know whether this is the correct price or I'm getting the wrong feed. Okay, because sometimes my system gives a very wrong feed. Okay, no, I think it's a wrong feed. Now it's about 82, 83. Yeah, 83. I think this is correct. Okay, so now what we can do for those of you who have entered. Okay, now I want you to go for a add-on trade. Okay, add-on trade would be somewhere 86 half. That means okay, well, hold on. Nasdaq is near TP. Hold on. Where is the Nasdaq TP I've given? Oh, it's already dropped to 70. Okay, hold on. Let's finish this. Okay, if the Nasdaq, I think we can close, because since this is still within the range, I suggest lock in your profit. Okay, lock in your profit. We'll do a re-entry again. Okay, let me lock in the profit. Okay, just book the profit at market. Don't think about it. Okay, So let's lock in. Hold on, let me lock in. I don't want to miss this. Okay, just close the profit uh, at 2 2 1. I've locked in at 2205 21205. Okay, I've already booked the profit. So I want to do a re-entry. Okay, 205 I've already locked in. Okay, let's go on. Okay, now let's go on to the gold. I've already booked, so I'm going to give you a re-entry for Nasdaq. Okay, because if it's breaking the low, we can wait. But sometimes this within the range, the market may quickly reverse and uh, turn back. Okay, anyway, thanks for highlighting me this. So if you would not highlighted, then I wouldn't have locked this profit. Okay, anyway, this is the thing. So now, okay, let's do one by one. Let's not panic. Okay, so this one we have already locked in. Okay, gold now we have put in our TP at 75. Okay, what I feel is we should be seeing 72. Okay, at least about 72 or 73. Okay. Okay, congrats for those of you who have locked in the profit. So now we got to make sure that this 77 breaks. So if your 77 breaks, we can expect towards 72 or 71 half. Okay, I think can you lower your profit to 70 half? Okay, this is also moving fast. Okay, I'm sure I think this is already, I don't know whether you have locked in your profit. You should see about 70 half. Okay, we'll just, because the thing is just broke, so we should see the price moving lower. Okay, so what I would suggest, okay, from now on I'll let you decide. Gold profit booked already, is that 75 booked? Okay. Anyway, if you have booked, then congrats. Okay, let me also book from my side. Okay, I don't want to uh, get let go this profit. Okay, we are having a good profit. Okay, it's already broke. I think it's already 70 half. I think 70 half is also taken into consideration. Okay, this is breaking. I just want to close it at market. Okay, 70 half profit is taken. Okay, profit is taken. Okay, I think today is a good day. It's a fantastic day for us. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, I don't know how many of you managed to get a good profit. Okay, thank you very much. Congrats for all those people who have taken the trade. I think we have made a big profit today. We made gold about 87, about $17. Nasdaq we made about almost like 140 pips. Then another Nasdaq about 70 pips. I think we have made a very good move today. Okay, congrats for those people who have taken the trade with us. Okay, and good luck, and let's move on. Okay, let's move on. See, now the problem with my side, okay, this is I'm not getting the gold feed. Okay, without the gold feed I can't do anything. This sometimes it happens. Okay, sometimes it happens to me, and I don't know. Okay, let's move on to Nasdaq. Okay, since this is not working, wait for the feed to come in, then let's concentrate on Nasdaq. Okay, now let's go back to this. Let's do a re-entry again. And is there anyone in this room gold managed to exit at 70 half? Anyone managed to exit at 70 half? I know 75 a majority of you would have exited. I closed at 70 half. I managed to get a good move. Okay, so anyway, let's move on to Nasdaq now. We have to do a re-entry again, and this is again this is in a trading range. Okay, this is within a trading range, so we can expect this market to bounce back and come back to the range again. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to slowly access and do a re-entry, and always remember our re-entry must be we don't have to chase the market. That's one. Second thing is our re-entry must be a comfortable thing. See, this is something we have to go a very high discipline. I think the Nasdaq, the target we gave is already reaching 21150, and is expected to drop some more. Okay, is expected to drop some more. And let me see the gold. Okay, is it 72 now? I don't know whether my feed is correct, because this sometimes my apologies on this, the program I'm doing, sometimes I don't get see, it's trading at 68. Okay, this is trading at 68, so I think it's not updating. Okay, wait for this thing to update. Okay, just coming back to Nasdaq. Okay, so now we are going to talk about this Nasdaq. Okay, what I'm going to tell you is this weakness is going to continue for the next at least 2 hours. So which means to say, sorry, 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours. So more weakness is expected. That's one. Next, we can see this target 21055 or somewhere near this level. But since we closed at 21200, okay, we have already like 50 pips we have closed earlier. Okay, so now the only way for us to enter is we try to enter at 21230. This is one way. Another way is wait for this weakness to finish and try to go for a buy at a lower price. So these are the two ways which we can trade this, because we don't want to get our emotional controlling, and we don't want to lose money again. Whatever we made, we don't want to give it back to the market. So I think we have already like another 100 pips we should have made, which we have already let. But never mind, I think next time we will try to arrest this problem, because today was a good day. We made, so let it wait. So now coming back to this, okay, let me see. The gold is it 70 now? Okay, this is also a bit lagging. Okay, now 72. Okay, is it correct? Yeah, okay. So now I think we are getting the feed. So now let's try to do this gold trade again. Okay, now how far can we see this thing going? Okay, the next support we look at is we are looking at 2862. Okay, let's do our analysis. Okay, let me because we don't have to panic, we don't have to get panic or excited, then it will ruin our profits. Okay, now we see here the next profit, the target I'm looking at is weekly SL2 or 20 360 SL5 and daily SL5 or lower. Okay, that is the target I'm looking at. So when we say daily SL5 or lower, it means to say this is 70. I think this is already seen. So the next support we can look at is 62. Okay, 62. Then yeah, your 360 also says 62. Then weekly, remember SL5. So that is also says about 58. Okay, so we have somewhere 58 or 62 as the next major support. So what we got to do is we got to go and compare it to see the price on the chart. Okay, to see whether that 62 or 58 would be your best level. So if you see on the chart, your previous week low, this is about 60. Okay, this is about 60. And I remember I told you 58 or 62. So I think this should be a comfortable level for a buy. Okay, then we need to know the stop. Okay, so the stop we can put it as 55. Okay, 55. So now how we are going to play the game again, I just repeat. We are going to go for a sell and we can only sell at 82. Oh, wait, let me get for you the figure. Yeah, so we can sell at 78 or 82. That should be our selling level. Then if you are going for a buy which is against the trend, then we should be looking to buy somewhere at 58. Okay, so now let me give you two signals based on this, and we would go for a trade again. So we don't have to be excited and also don't have to be panic to say that since we already made that money, so we don't have to panic and chase the market. So now if you see the projection, I think we say about 54 is our next target. Okay, the system said 58 and the chart is saying 65 and this is very far. Okay, so if let's say we get an extension of this, yeah, I think 58, 55 should be a comfortable level. Okay, so now how we are going to trade again? Okay, we already made the profit. Okay, we have already done for the day, so we don't have to go chasing the market. So what we are going to do is we are going to do a counter trend. That means that this, we call it an extreme buy. Okay, this is an extreme buy. We'll try to buy at 2858. Okay, and put a stop at 53, $5 above. And if let's say we buy at 58, we should exit before 75. Okay, 75 or 70 half. So our TP should be 70 half, and this one we are giving until 3 o'clock. Okay, this is until 3 hours, 4 hours. That means until the next time belt. Okay, and this trade we let it work. Okay, we let it work. We don't have to monitor this trade. Just key in this order, let it work. If it get filled, we'll take it Otherwise, we have nothing to lose. Okay, now we are going to go with the trend. So what we should be doing is we should be trying to sell at 78 and trying to sell, and we should be holding sell below 80 and 82. Okay, so now how we are going to trade this is we are going to sell one at 78 half and put a stop above 85. Then we are going to sell another one at 82, then put a stop above 87. Okay, so this is a momentum trade which we want to give you. Okay, so this is gold. We are trying to sell 2878 half, and we are going to put that stop at 84 half, at least $6 above. Then for this, the TP should be above the current day low. Okay, can anyone tell me on your system what is the current day low? Because my feed is wrong. Can anyone, I think it's about 68. Okay, 68. So, if we are selling at 678, okay, if that's the case, then we'll try to push it to 80. Okay, 80. Then we'll try to push this at 85 half, and this one we'll try to exit at 70. Okay, 68. Thank you. So now we are going to sell again at 80, stop at 85, TP below the above the current day low, and this one we will give until 1 o'clock. Okay, for the next actually I don't need maybe until 12. I think we'll be giving until 12. Okay, we'll give until 12. Okay, then we will put in this trade, so you can key in this trade. So for those of you who have locked in, okay, I think one person got stopped out. I'm so sorry. I think you're very unfortunate that you missed this trade, such a big move. But I think we will capture again. No, not to worry. So we will do. So now it's already, I think, 78 already. So we'll try to sell at 80. Okay, I think we'll try to go for the trade. We'll go for a re-entry on this. Okay, let's trade this again. Okay, then we'll put one more trade at 82. Okay, try to sell at 82. 82. Then put a stop at 87. Okay, this is another trade. This is a add-on trade. Okay, we'll try to sell. Okay, I also want to enter. Let me give a okay, I think the 80 half is filled. So we will go for since the 80 half is filled, we'll try to sell at 83. Okay, we will try to go for one more trade. The 80 half is filled. Okay, let me see that thing first. So 80 is filled, 80 is filled. So we'll try to go for one more trade at 83 half. Okay, 83 half. Okay, 83 half, and this is also half lot, 28, sorry, 2883 half, and 87 half, and this one also we are trying to exit before 70 half, and this one also we will give until the next time belt. So we have one order filled. We are going for another order as well. Okay, so we are doing a re-entry again, and this round we are only going for $10 profit. Okay, because we don't want to fight for the low. Okay, the 83, so this is going to last for another, the strength can last for another 9 more minutes. Okay, but I'm not sure whether this is going to end within this trading band, or we are going to see an extension which is towards 86 or 87. So I think we have taken another trade again. So let's move on to C. Okay, so I think the 80 half is sold and we are waiting for the 83. Okay, so some of you, if you don't see thing, then we can enter at 81 or market, so you just try to do it. So this strength should not last for another 8 more minutes. So let's see what happens for another 8 more minutes. Okay, so let's see the Nasdaq again. Okay, the one I think we have to go for a re-entry again. Okay, I think it's already broke. I think we missed a big another 200 pips move on the Nasdaq. I think we should have hold on to it, but because I wanted to exit this because this market is within the range. Okay, now again the gold selling, we are making money again. I think we are already in $3 profit. So I think this is not sure where the thing, and let me see the Nasdaq. Okay, the Nasdaq, okay, I wanted to go for a buy, but the strength can last for another 20750. Okay, anyway, the gold right now, this is already making $4. I'm sure all of you got into the trade. Now it's making $5, and we should lock in the profit. Okay, we'll try to close at because I don't want to, because this is going to go on for only for another 6 more minutes. Okay, try to book a profit at 75. Okay, close that market at 75. If you, I mean, the rest I leave it to you. It's your bonus if you want to go on further. Okay, but I'm closing at 75. Okay, let me see this. Okay, I've already out of the trade and I've closed at 75. Okay, this one I think we already booked the profit. Uh, so this is just locked in. Okay, hold on. I need to close another place. Just give me a minute. It's bouncing back. Did all of you manage to close at 75? Okay, hold on now. Hold on now. Hold on now. Because you got to be very fast. Otherwise, the price will not wait for you. Okay, because I have two different platforms. I missed it. Okay, hold on, hold on. I just let me close it. Okay, good. Congratulations for those of you who have managed to get in and book the profit. Okay, I got one more system I haven't booked. Just give me a minute. Let me close it. Then I'll come back. Okay, still missed it. Okay, now let's move on to the Nasdaq. I think I still have one more. I missed the profit to close. Really missed it. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay. So now the Nasdaq is showing some stability. Okay. Now I think we can try to go for a buy on this. Okay. What I want you to do, try to buy at 2095. Okay. Let me double check the volume. Okay. Okay, I think we can go for a buy. Okay, try to buy. Okay, lucky the gold is closed. Okay, you can buy one at 40. Okay, 21104. And I think the price is jumping very fast. Okay, we got to buy at if you can hit the market, it would be good, but it's quite dangerous because you don't get the right order fill. Okay, never mind. We'll try to buy at 21020 and 20890. Okay, 20890. I think I wanted to enter the market. I missed it. Okay, never mind. We will see. Okay, let's see the Nasdaq. We are going to buy okay, the price is not updating. Now I have an issue here. Okay, you should buy Nasdaq at 2140 and above. Okay, and two 2100. Okay, we can go for 2 levels of entry. Okay, now let's wait for this Nasdaq to the price to adjust. Okay, now the gold. Let's move on to the next entry again. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to enter again at and we are going to trade only this range for the next 1 hour. Okay, try to sell at 81 and try to exit at 74 or 75, and this should be your plan for the next okay, this is not updating, huh? Okay, I don't want to go for a buy. I want to sell again 2881. Okay, just now was 80 half, right? 80 half, 80, I think 80 or 81. So we'll try to go for the same price. 81, stop at 86, 86 half. Then we will exit at 2874. Okay, we don't want to go for a big profit on this. Okay, and this one, okay, wait, I don't know what's wrong with my system. Okay, let me try again. If the 83 was filled just now, I think would have made good money on the both side. So sometimes when we okay, it's coming now. Okay, we'll try to sell 2881. Okay, stop at 85 half and 2874. I want to be a very conservative play for this, and this one, the time I'm only giving until another 45 minutes. Okay, so this is going to be the next trade for gold. Okay, then the Nasdaq, I want to go for a buy, but okay, now it's updating. Okay, so let me see. Okay, try to buy two 21020. Okay, I'm getting a bit mixed figure, mixed up on this. This is the extreme buy. 210. We'll put it as 30. Just no harm. Then put a stop below the low, 20890. 20890, and TP should be before 2230. Okay, let me see. Okay, 21. Wait, let me give you the figure. Correct. Either 21170 or 21205. Okay, 21205. 21205. Okay, there's a 75 pips move available. Okay, this is again until 2 o'clock. Okay, Nasdaq, most likely I think we may have seen the low. Okay, we may have seen the low. Not say low means just a temporary low. I know I wouldn't say a permanent low, because I think we will still test on the low side. Okay, then we're seeing the Dow Jones moving up. Okay, now this would be another bet we can look into. Okay, now the Dow Jones is moving up. So what we feel, we can go for a sell. Okay, and this strength is expected to last for another another 1 more hour. Okay, 1 more hour. So we can try to sell at 905. Okay, put a stop 9 9 965 and the TP at 750. Okay, let me, I think I need the system help. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, let me load the system. Okay, this one I think Nasdaq we can go for a sell. So sorry, the Dow Jones. Nasdaq I think the buying entry we missed. Gold we have already done for the day. Okay, I think today was a fantastic day. I think we managed to grab, I think more than 3-4%. Within I don't know how many pips you all made, but I think within the 2 hours, I think it's worth considering. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm having issue with my system. Okay, for those of you who come in late, I think we have more or less have done for the day. Okay, now the Dow Jones is moving to 850. Yeah. I'll just give a call to see. Then finally we can see. Okay, so those of you who come in late, okay, we have sold gold 2 rounds. We booked profit. I think one was we shorted at 87 and closed at 70 half. I think that's about $16 move. Then another trade we shorted at 80 and we exited at 75. So that was another $5 move. Then Nasdaq we shorted at 350 and exited at about 200. So that's about 150 pips move. Okay, Dow Jones is moving beyond 925. Okay, let's see. Okay, what we can do, we'll try to sell at 44. I think yesterday I remember giving it somewhere 44,050. Okay, this is another call, and if we sell at 44,050, then our exit should be at 840 or 750. Okay, so this would be another signal for the Dow. Okay, if you're trading on the Dow, we'll try to sell at 44,050, stop at 145. Okay, try to put above 150. Actually, it's 165 should be the level. So what we can do, we'll try to put it as 80. Okay, give me a minute. Actually, we can even try to sell one near the 940 level. Okay, hold on. Ting, 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 ting. Okay, we'll put it as 175 and 43 750. Okay, so this one we will put it until 1 o'clock. Okay. Uh, I think actually it's the 940 should be the resistance. So I'm not sure whether we can see this, but if we can get it, we will take. Otherwise, it's okay. Okay. Anyway, I think actually I'm also getting a bit tired because started at 9. Okay. Anyway, for those of you who came in late, okay, this is we are trying to buy Nasdaq, try to exit. We're trying to sell down higher. We're trying to sell gold. Gold is now is 76. So we're trying to sell at 81 and 83. So if we get it, we have to exit within $4 or $5 or $6 $7 move, not more than that. So we got to exit. And for those of you who have been trading with us, I think today we had a wonderful day. So we gold we made $17 plus another five $22. Nasdaq we made about 150 pips. So I think this is done for the day, because I don't want to get ourselves. Okay, the gold. Hold on, don't know whether. Okay, is this message? Okay, this was supposed to be the previous message. Okay, because the re-entry level. I didn't key in. Okay, it's fine. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you for coming. For those of you, I hope you have a wonderful day today. And good times are more to come. So we will be trading more like this. So at least uh, we did twice. In fact, one we sold at 87, and those of you who came in late, they sold at 88 or 89. So we did 2 rounds of gold, 2 rounds of Nasdaq profit. Altogether, we did four profit. One big and one small. So I think it was a good experience, and again, thank you for your enthusiasm and the support you have shown. And I wish to see, okay, like as I told you, I wish to see more communication from you guys. Otherwise, there's no point of me doing this session, because, like as I told you, I can do my own trade. I don't have to do this thing. But if you show the enthusiasm and if you show the interest, then definitely we can work together in the long run. And the only way you can show your enthusiasm is coming in regularly and referring your friends. And if you like it, just give a like and give a support. And also, like I told during that the previous session, if you are a full-time trader, then you register with us with the Precise Trader. Then we can teach you how the system works and how you can trade with ease without getting your emotional at control at all times. Okay, thank you, good night. I'll see you again tomorrow. Okay, bye.